Samsung has started rolling out the One UI 8 update for the Galaxy S25 series around the world. This update is based on Android 16 and is now moving from South Korea to other regions. Owners of the Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, S25 Ultra, and S25 Edge are among the first people to get it. The rollout is happening on time. Just a few days ago, Samsung shared a rollout plan in Brazil, and now Europe and other regions are already getting the update. This means many more countries should start receiving it before the end of the month, but there is one catch. If you live in the United States, the update hasn't started yet. US users are still waiting, and this delay is not surprising. In the past, US carriers often slowed down major updates, and it seems to be the same case here. So while users in Europe are celebrating, US owners might have to wait a few more days or even weeks depending on their carrier. In Europe, things are moving quickly. People in France, Germany, Sweden, and the UK have already confirmed that they got the update. Some users are posting screenshots online to show it. Reports are also coming from the Caucasus region, which means Samsung is rolling out the update to several places at once instead of just one country. Other key markets like India, Brazil, and Australia are also expected to join soon. Samsung is not stopping with the S25 series. According to the plan, the update should reach the Galaxy S24 series next week, including the S24, S24 Plus, S24 Ultra, and S24 FE. Foldable phones like the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and Z Flip 6 are also on the list. If things go as planned, by September 25th, many users across Europe, Asia, and South America will move from One UI 7 to One UI 8. This is a big improvement compared to what happened with One UI 7 earlier this year. Back then, updates were late, communication was poor, and users waited for months. This time, Samsung looks more organized and is pushing updates faster. Samsung also has big plans for October. The stable One UI 8 update will expand to many more devices, not just the latest flagships. Phones like the Galaxy S23 series, the Galaxy Z Fold 5, Z Flip 5, and even older models like the S22 family are included. Samsung will also update mid-range phones like the Galaxy A55, A35, and A26. Even budget models such as the A06 and A07 are on the list. Tablets like the Galaxy Tab S8 will also get the update. If Samsung really achieves this, it will be one of their biggest software rollouts ever. Now the big question, should you update right away? For most people, yes, but it's smart to be careful. Large updates can sometimes bring bugs, crashes, or battery issues in the first few days. If you're not in a hurry, you might want to wait a little and see what other users are saying. This way, you can avoid problems if something goes wrong. So what does One UI 8 actually bring? It's not a huge redesign. Instead, it builds on One UI 7 with small but useful improvements. Samsung has focused on performance, stability, and smoother user experience. These changes may not look big on the outside, but they can make your phone feel faster and more reliable every day. The update file will be large, so make sure you have enough storage and a good internet connection before downloading it. While One UI 8 is rolling out, Samsung is already working on One UI 8.5. Firmware for the Galaxy S25 Ultra has been spotted, showing that development is moving quickly. It doesn't mean One UI 8.5 is coming soon, though. Most likely, it will launch with the Galaxy S26 series next year. Still, it's a good sign that Samsung is already preparing. We don't know much about One UI 8.5 yet. There may be improvements in apps like Samsung Internet and other small changes. Samsung has also blocked the leaks we used to see before, so details may stay secret until the official launch. What seems sure is that the Galaxy S26 will come with One UI 8.5, while some current models like the S25 Ultra may test it earlier. Samsung is moving fast because the competition is tough. Apple just released iOS 26 with a new look and many features. Now Samsung fans are waiting to see if One UI 8.5 will match or even beat it. For now, though, the focus is on One UI 8. The rollout looks smooth so far. Europe is already enjoying it and other regions are joining soon. If Samsung keeps this pace, users worldwide will get a better and more stable software experience much faster than before.